on, lovely people. The name is Richie, and welcome to Richmond's Media. On today's episode, we are going to discuss about Bongo Ideas case. Apparently, he has been sued for 1 million Ghana cedis. So, without wasting much time, I will let my lawyer introduce himself. Lawyer, can you introduce yourself to my audience for me?
My name is Lawyer Anti Bongo.
God,
I've only solicitor in this world who fight against criminal and who fight for
Defamation.
freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. Because my guy Bongo, I think right now in this Ghana economy, in this Ghana country,
yes,
I'm the only one supporting Bongo Ideas. Because the law states that everyone has the freedom of speech. Ghana, we are free forever.
Democracy.
So, if we have our freedom of speech, why can't I speak? Why is it that when I speak, I'm going to court?
Well, but you don't really know what maybe. Have you done some, underground research, background research about Bongo Ideas, what he caused and everything? Because we have freedom of speech and we have defamation as well. Maybe you talk about someone and then you say bad things about the person.
Today it's not a good day for me because as a lawyer of Bongo, as a lawyer of the freedom of speech people, I'm here. And information reaching me is that I just created my own account. I can say whatever I want.
Twitter is a space. It's another word. That's how people say it.
So I go there, I see one or two things that is going, as I said here. The things that you are doing is not according to the law. This is not defamation. This is freedom of speech.
Okay.
This is freedom of speech.
I'm sure that some of the audience, they don't know some accolades, your achievements, your reputation. Can you, mention some of your achievements? I even heard that they said that 1957, when Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah was fighting for independence, you were winning some cases in China and Belgium. Can you elaborate on that for us?
I don't know about it. The goal that Queen Elizabeth and the royal family, they took? I was the one who sent them to court. Now they are sending back to Ghana. They are sending the gold, the diamond back to Africa. They don't know about it. I'm the only lawyer who can fight against royal family. They don't know. So Bongo, chill down. Your lawyer, your solicitor is here.
I think we have found a solution. You see, me, when I say that I'll go through all spaces, through all the corners to look for a lawyer who can save Bongo. Because at this point, even Kojo Shedin couldn't save Bongo.
Oh, no.
Bongo this lawyer is called Anti Bongo, which means Bongo Ideas, anti. Christ and Antichrist. Now, did you finish mentioning some of your accolades?
Oh no.
Because I read about this news that the Queen Elizabeth, King Charles want to lend us some of the things that they stole. Imagine the thing that they stole, they are lending it. Because you said you fought for us. Why are they lending this? They have to give us...
they want to keep their image. That's why they say lending. But when I fought against them, against their best lawyers, I went to Havard University.
America.
What are you trying to say?
UK. The Harvard University I went to is in Achimota. Achimota Harvard University. I graduated with first class. And they cannot do anything against me. I won some other cases. That case that they say that you are a girlfriend with someone, so you have to give them half of your property.
Yeah. Harcraft Hakimi the case.
I won for I gave him that mindset. The cases I've won, they don't know about it. So
Anti Bongo.
Relax.
Okay, without wasting much time, do you think the 1 million? I don't know.
How can you tell me the story?
You see over 1 million Ghana.
1 million Ghana cedis in this economy? You have 1 million. You are trading for more than several years. You don't have 1 million. You want somebody's 1 million. Charlie. Because I think what Bongo said is quite true. So he wants that 1 million to boost his financial sectors.
And I think, Bongo Ideas. Lawyer Anti Bongos, he knows, he won, like I said, he won a lot of cases and he know undergrounds. So, right now, this is what, according to the case that Kojo, what was the name?
Kojo Forex.
Kojo Forex, Nipayede was something like that.
Look at your name, Nipayede. And you are fighting against the human being. You say human is sweet. As a human is sweet, you have to love your fellow people. I've just shared my idea on the social media. If you want to see me, go and see the person who created the social media.
Elon Musk.
Yes.
Elon Musk.
Go and sue the higher shareholder in that business. You are come to see me. What is this?
Anyway, a declaration that following statement published by the defendant on Twitter in respect to the plaintiff are defamatory. So, according to Kojo Forex, now say this is what Bongo Ideas treated. Forex trading alone did not get you the Forex trading alone did not get you these things. You do other shady business. If you legitimately make so much, why charge to teach? Tell the world the truth, or I will. So apparently, Kojo Forex charges people to teach them how to trade. So Bongo was saying that if you are truly making these monies out of trading, why are you charging people to teach them?
You know why my brother Bongo said that? Because God said, I gave it to you free, so you to give free.
Preach.
So if God has given you the knowledge, you've made a lot of money. You've seen your houses and your cars. So if all of this, you got it for free, give it to the people free. Why are you charging us? Because you need that money for something else.
You have a point. If God gave it to you freely, you have to also do it freely. Really?
You get it? You got the idea. Nobody charged you for that idea, did you? You sat down and you got the idea. So as my brother Bongo said, if you got the idea freely, I'm here to share my mind freely.
This
you
is-
say you don't understand.
This one is lawyers. I'm a science student. I don't know about laws. So if Anti Bongo said this, then it means that everything is legit. Let me
Exactly.
go to number 2. The FX, probably Forex. The Forex thingy is just a small part of the secretive online business empire. I will explain later. He runs his profile from FX as he makes lawyer where they ask me as he makes it seem. Do not come because he is genius in the game. There are OGs in the game who will tell you that he is a liar. So apparently, Bongo Ideas is saying that whatever Kojo Forex is saying, trading online, talking about on YouTube and everything, is a liar. Because OGs in the more game no krano, among brag say now why they are over.
Exactly. Because people have been trading for years. I know one friend of mine, he's been trading for 15 years. But nothing is going on. If it goes up and it comes down. You came in the game 3 years ago, you said right now you're a billionaire. And you want to see me for 1 million. You want to become a trillionaire. You are joking.
Well, this is another comment that Bongo Ideas made. The likes of Elvis, Justice, Dems have been in his business for so long, but you never see them flex. That is the Elvis. No about business.
Been in the business
for very long time, but they are not flexing online.
Exactly.
So you came 3 years ago and yesterday you can't flex about your money. Kojo Forex. Listen, this one is for you. Don't fall for the social media antics. You will be soon disappointed that FX is not a get rich quick scheme. Only the Ponzi schemers make it seem so. Which he is. Not just say Kojo Forex a punky schemer.
You get it? Because those people who are trading, like who are actually trading, they don't come on social media flaunting all their properties and their cars. But you, because you have some mindset, you want to flaunt. Because we human beings, we like what we see. So if you flaunt big cars, big houses, I'll see that what you're doing is working. I want to do some, and I'll come to you and you charge me huge amount of money. So if Bongo, my brother Bongo, has seen this and he's telling his fellow people not to fall for this scam, what is wrong with it? If you are suing me, it means something is there. You don't want people to find out.
Because he was advising his audience.
Exactly.
Bongo has like almost 90K plus followers on Twitter. You know what I'm saying?
What you're doing is working, why are you scared of what people are talking about you? The people that you are teaching will come and say, nah. What Bongo is saying is wrong.
So, you see, this is the same thing. When Andrew Tate was, the followers, they were testifying, giving testimony about the good work of
Andrew Tate.
So if Kojo Forex has a good reputation, his subscribers or the fans or the people that he's teaching,
his students,
can be like, oh no,
I'm making money.
So what Bongo is saying is true.
I've never seen Kojo Forex students flaunting cars. Only him. What's going on?
Hey, lawyer.
You get me? My research has told me a lot of things, but I can't say it here. You will meet in court.
As for the number of people he's dubbed, hey, bro, you can't say DUPED.
What's it then?
DUP.
As for the number of people he dubbed, yeah.
Okay, that's my track. Sold fake lessons to. Hey, you say or sell it lessons now.
No results.
No positive results.
Exactly.
Okay. And then nitty-gritty. Nitty-gritty was a nitty-gritty. Akwezu what bravo. Bongo Ideas.
He was my junior.
Uh-huh.
We learned in the same school. I used to teach him. That's why I'm taking this case seriously. I'm not joking around.
Nitty-gritty or nitty-gritty was the idea of his illicit online money making empire. That is a conversation for another day. More episodes are loading.
You know the illiteracy. I think that's when he Google it because we didn't really learn that in our school. Our school we don't learn this English. But Bongo, I'm with you. Don't worry.
Don't worry. Yeah, I say that on 18th April 2023, the defendant again published the following statement on his Twitter timeline, which were in reference to the plaintiff. I have written a lot about you already. I have provided evidence about your fraudulent and shady deals that you masquerade as FX nonsense, like Forex, blah 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 nonsense. You have never been able to refute that. But rather cowardly, pay people to report my account. Go pay them reporters. They got to sue you though. Hey, that
because you don't like what I'm saying. Because there's a little truth to what I'm saying. You are paying people to use my account. To report my account so that it will be taken down. Mm-hmm. If you think what you are saying is right, just let your people put some proof out there. Come. You just make some little video of trading.
Show working. Show action.
2023. Show working. No more talking. Why are you taking me to court to talk? Show your workings. Oh, come on.
So according to these are the charges that the defendant is putting against is it the defendant or the plaintiff? I don't know. Kojo Forex
is the plaintiff.
And
Bongo is the defendant. He's defending himself against what the plaintiff has sent to court. Uh-huh. So Bongo, don't worry. You get me? Everything is under control. I have all the things he said here. He's just talking. He just want. You know why he's doing this? He want to come in the limelight for people to see him so that they know that he does trading. So I'll go and follow him. All of this is just clout chasing. As the young people these days will say. Clout chasing. You know me, I'm very old.
So what would you say?
You know what I'm saying is, Bongo, don't worry. All this is under control. Get me? Yes. All the things that he's saying, restraining order for public apology. Apology? If you want to apologize, go to God, tell him to apologize for you. What is this?
But do you think that your defendant has like 1 million Ghana cedis to just in case the case goes south? You say you're a lawyer. You know that you have got some accolades. You have a lot of reputations, but
me with all my accolades, 1 million. Hey.
1 million, you don't get.
Our lecturer, they don't have 1 million. Now we the students. No, we don't. That's why we have taken it seriously, because if this case goes south, Bongo Ideas will go west. We will go to jail. That's why we are not taking it seriously. Nah, no apology will be given and no 1 million will be given. We are going home. As Bongo Ideas treated. We are a free man.
Yeah,
free Bongo Ideas.
But yeah, me too. I was doing some research. I don't know. I think this Kojo Forex just want to get fame or something that something that you said, clout chasing. You know what I'm saying? Because do you think that Bongo Ideas has 1 million Ghana cedis to give you?
He knows perfectly fine that Bongo Ideas 50 Ghana cedis price hard.
Looking at this guy, looking at this guy, look at this picture. Do you think this guy can get you 1 million Ghana cedis just in case you are winning the case? So he has to pay, or you just want to send him to prison? I know a lot of people want to send Bongo Ideas to prison, but for me personally, I believe that Kojo Forex is not the right person, because there are a lot of shady things that people have said. For instance, Kevin Taylor, or then Kevin Taylor and Kamfan, Obia Keka, Kabutamunai, landlord Munat, Homan Phobia,
Bongo Ideas cry, a judge. He said a judge wife head like helmet. They just trying to take him to court. That small thing is about you. He wants 1 million. How can you tell me this story?
Well, according to Lawyer Anti Bongo Ideas, or that when you sleep, because the case has been resolved. Yeah.
Because you know what Kojo Forex is doing? Mm-hmm. What he's doing is that he's using common sense.
Yes.
But if you go to law, if you go to the court, we don't use common sense. We talk facts, we talk law. And what the law, article 310 in the Ghana Constitution, it says that freedom of speech is when someone speaks his opinion without fear and without consequence. So why is it that I've spoken my opinion without fear? You say that I should come and apologize. I'm not scared of you. That's why I didn't come and apologize. So without fear and no consequence, you are taking me to court to face the consequences, which means the Ghana law is not working. Something must be shady. Even the police, they shouldn't take this thing seriously. This is not.
Then which means that even if the judges take this serious, you also have some questions for the judges.
Bongo, you see, don't worry. If you go to prison, I will fight for you. You will come back and you will see him 3 million.
This one is going to be courtesy because
Yes.
these things can change you.
Of course.
But I was going through some comments on Twitter. They are saying that probably, what if Kojo Forex hasn't even registered his business and everything and he's not paying tax? He can also be in trouble.
Exactly.
Can you do that as a lawyer? Can you go underground and put some charges on there?
All I have to do is hire my brother. My brother investigation, the detective. They will go in, they will see, oh, do you have tax? If you don't have tax, Bongo Ideas. We will see him. We will see him for inappropriate cooperation of your company.
Wow.
You get it? Yes.
Because inappropriate cooperation of your company. Which means we have this is like a comfortable lead.
Yes.
Yes.
Only if he doesn't pay taxes.
Only if.
If he pay taxes, yeah.
Yes, Asamaba.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, audience, this is why, because when I heard and I read about the case, I had to, get someone who can save Bongo. That's why I brought Lawyer Anti Bongo here. He has won almost 350,000 cases, including some high top kingdoms. He said it about the United Kingdom issue.
Wait a second. I didn't say I've win. I've had 350,000 cases. I've learned 350.99. This is my time. So Bongo, I didn't say I've win. Like, I've had those cases,
But you didn't win.
It's not like I didn't win. It didn't go my way.
Oh.
Yes. But this case, I'm confident about it.
Okay.
Yes. Like the royal case things I want to travel to the UK. So I don't want to have any problems. I just let them go. Yes. But I didn't. But this one there is confidence.
This one is freedom of 10 over 10.
Freedom of speech is because this our people cry. They can express themselves freely. These days you can be whoever you want. So Bongo, you can speak whatever you want.
Yeah.
Nothing gonna come.
People are even changing their agendas. So
Exactly.
how can you not say
How can I say whatever I want?
Mm-hmm.
If they do, we will do another thing. That the LGBTQ, we will find our own thing and say like FBDAQ.
You can say whatever.
Freedom of speech kill.
Freedom of speech kill.
You get me? You can speak whatever you want.
All right, Bongo Ideas, we came your way. What that?
Yes.
Because almost some amount 8 days to say Fabra course. Yeah, be do court or crown sana. Days na so.
You will shorten the days, 3 days.
3 days. Kojo Forex embra court ho na ya solve issue ni na wi. Na man the counter offense. Lovely people, this is what we have got for you. If you have any case, if you are in a problem, domestic violence, drug abuse in Kaho, and the lawyer will delay with drug abuse.
I don't deal with drug.
Any violence, any bibia, obia jusika, if someone is owing you and I say anything.
If your girlfriend is cheating on you.
Yes.
Yes. If your boyfriend is cheating on you. Lawyer Anti Bongo. I deal with Bongo issues. If you come to me, I will deal with your issue very, very well. Don't worry about it.
All right. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. We have got more interviews with Lawyer Anti Bongo. If you have any issue, you can put it under the comment section. We will come here and solve it with you. The name is Richie.
The name is Lawyer Anti Bongo.
And we shall meet on the same channel at the same time.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share your comments, share what you think, and we'll meet again.
Peace and love.